Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper blades on a Chevy Trailblazer. So let's go ahead and get started. Now to complete this, what you're going to need is two 22-inch blades. The passenger and the driver side both take the exact same size, which is the 22-inch. So once you have those, we're ready to swap them out. So looking here at the windshield wiper arm right here, and here's your blade. If you come here and turn the blade, clear that up, you'll see this little tab right here. So what you're going to want to do, push it up while pulling down on the blade. Now we'll just slide the blade off the arm, and the blade will then slide off the arm. And now that's off. Let's head over to the passenger side. We'll remove that one as well, and then we're ready to start sliding the new blades on, lock them in place, and wrap it up. All right, everything's off. To slide the new windshield wiper blade on, you're going to slide it over the arm, and then you're going to pull it up. It has a little groove that fits around that hook, so you're going to go ahead and pull it until you hear it click into place, and that'll let you know that it's locked in. On the passenger side, we'll do the same thing, and you can see the little groove there that I'm talking about that slides inside of the hook on the arm. So we'll go ahead and slide this one on as well and lock that one in place, and that'll wrap it up. All right, the blades are locked on. Driver and passenger are swapped out. Let's head inside, turn the wipers on, make sure everything looks good and that they're wiping clear without any streaking or issues, and then that'll wrap this up. Okay, let's try them out. Looking good. Wiping nice and clear, no streaking. Everything looks good. They're lined up perfect. All right, well, the blades look good. Everything was wiping clear, no streaking. It was a smooth wipe. Everything is set good. They're locked in place. That pretty much wraps up this video on how to change out the windshield wiper blades on a Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions or comments you may have. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.